Check 1 2. Mic test, mic test. Anyway, what's up? What's up? If you're wondering what this is the finger I use to apply my blush and lip tint. So I look somewhat presentable and not like a dead body. So hey guys, it's Icy from Icy Studio and welcome to my studio. Cha! I fixed it up a little bit so my background isn't like that plain wall over there. Remember the love seat? So yeah, I decided to show this part of the studio. It's not actually a studio. I'm not really comfortable calling it a studio because it will always be a spare room to me. But inayos ko siya para mukha ng journals, pens, and brush pens. Artists. And we have a little mini book. Little na nga, mini pa. I have a little... I was gonna say mini again. With books that we've actually bought but haven't read yet. By we, meaning me and my sister. So me and my sister have this booktube channel where we talk about books and she does her reading journals there. So before I go off on another tangent, I actually did it on the 2nd of March. Before this, retrospectively speaking, spell retrospectively, pas na lang, pas. So in the past, I used to do my bullet journal spreads retrospectively, mainly because I didn't have the time and or energy to do like elaborate spreads, and I guess I could have done more minimal spreads last year. When I started doing videos again and decided to do like my monthly journals and actually tape me doing them, I was hoping that I would do them in advance. But sometimes, you know, life gets in the way. I still work part-time. I have my workshops on the weekend. I have projects, and I currently have my parents here at the moment, so I just want to spend time with them. But better late than never. So I go on Pinterest to look for inspiration for my bullet journal spreads, and I was actually really inspired by these minimal, and I was really running out of inspiration and I really didn't know what kind of floral to do. And I don't know, sometimes the thought of doing florals and actually sketching them and mapping them out and planning the layouts with like intricate, elaborate, detailed stuff can be really tiring, and this month is a really busy month, so I just kept it simple. So anyway, last month my theme was the moon and morning glories, so check that out. So with my March spread, I decided, why not do a little sun inspired theme. I'm still using the blackout dotted 160 GSM Archer and Olive notebook with the little moon there. And I've used this gold Sakura ball sign pen. So I've already drafted the entire March spread in pencil, and then I just filmed myself doing them, and I'll show you a time-lapse video of everything. See you at the end of the video. that is my March bullet journal setup. Tell me what you think about it, and if you've ever done a really minimal bullet journal spread before, and if you've ever done a sun themed bullet journal spread. I haven't. It was actually really hard for me to look for some sun, like really cute sun doodles, because they almost look the same as opposed to like the moon doodles. Maybe because, you know, you can do the moon in its phases while the sun is just like a ganun lang siya. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I'm still alive by then. Char! Joke lang. Knock on wood. Hala, walang wood. Ang dami-dami kong ginawang wood signages. Wala akong wood. Ayun, may wood doon. Knock on wood. Yeah, I already knocked on it, so see you in the next video.